Our beautiful girl gave birth last night, and if you didn't watch the video, you can watch it. They in that video they only 1 hour old. She has 4 little kitties. It's a beautiful thing, but let me tell you something bad. Yep, it's the weather. It's really bad. At least 2 weeks. It's rainy, snowy and stormy. They can't survive such conditions because when it's rain or snow, it's snow inside also. So I decided to take them home with me for at least 2 weeks. Yep. Look at this. No, she has 5 kitties. Come here. We didn't left any kitty behind. She has 5 kitties, not 4. So we are going home. I hope I'm doing the right thing. I don't want them to get hurt or feel stressed, but the weather is really bad, guys. At least 2 weeks. It will be stormy, it will be snowy, and it will be very, very cold. And they are only 1 day old. Now Mama Cat start to lick my hand through the hole. So cute. At first I thought there were 4 kitties last night, and actually they are 5. Yeah. Wow, let me tell you something. It's really cold. Wow, my hands are freezing right now. Almost there. Be patient. Kitties started to meow. At least they will be warm. They will be well fed. Yep. Teşekkür ederim. Yep, we are here. Yeah. We finally here. Hello. Hello. What are you doing over there? You're here. She's like, where am I? Where did you take me? I'm gonna make the bed right over there. If she wants to watch the birds or something else, yeah, it will be fun for her. Just look at that. I'm gonna give her some food. The storm started almost right away when we came home, and it's really bad. I don't know if you can see this, but yeah, it's really bad. I think we done the right thing. Yep, look at them, 5 kitties just sucking some milk from mama's nipples. Look at them, how cute they are. And mama cat has been so nice. She's so nice. She drank some water and ate some food. Then she came right here to feed her little babies. And she's been so nice to me, to her kittens. They're adorable. 5 of them. Look at that. Mama cat decided to take some alone time. Her kitty's right there. And she's right here. In her litter box. I bought it new. And she's using it now. Just take some alone time. Yeah. What? What was that? They're only 1 day old and they still hisses at me. Look at that. Precious mama kitty. Yep, it's still snowing. The 3 of them found the mama, and these 2 just enjoying some nap. My little angel. Take this